Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open the app and sign in with your linked account. You'll see onboarding prompts, accept them to proceed. Once done, allow required permissions so features work correctly. This avoids failures later. Make sure your device has network access and the app version matches your OS to prevent compatibility issues. If you have a recovery code or 2FA, enter it now. That secures your session and completes this initial setup stage. You now configure the app's core features step by step so it fits your workflow. Navigate to settings and create or import your primary workspace, folders, or dashboards. This organizes everything for quick access. Once done, adjust synchronization preferences, choose auto-sync intervals and whether to use cellular data to balance immediacy with bandwidth. Make sure to set notification rules and privacy controls so alerts are meaningful. Finally, pick default file locations and any integrations so saving and sharing work reliably. You finish by verifying the setup and handling common hiccups. Create a test item, edit it, save, and confirm it syncs across devices. This proves the workflow. Once done, review integrations and user permissions, invite any collaborators and confirm they can access shared items. If you encounter errors, try clearing the app cache, restarting the app, and checking network diagnostics. These steps fix most issues quickly. If problems persist, record the error message and contact support with details for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.